But laws have a tendency to change the characters of people over a period of time. Any law. Well, let's take our own law. We are living in a color-conscious country. Everything's based on color. And I can tell you my experience. For 40 years I've been talking to people. I love to talk. I love to talk. I love to share with people my thoughts and what little God has given me of my food. And let me tell you that I have invited hundreds of whites to my home. I invited Africans and coloreds and Indians, but I'm talking specifically about the whites. Hundreds of whites. Businessmen, learned men, priests, theologians, hundreds of them. And they come and enjoy my hospitality, they enjoy my food. You know, our food is good. You know, the food that we cook. I tell you, the white man, he laps it up, he relishes it. The Afrikaner, you know, he loves it. And the colored or the African, nobody can resist the food that we offer. Am I right? You see, everybody loves our food. You know, maybe the way we put our spices and the way we cook, you know, the aroma that comes from our pots, you know, you just can't, irresistible. So the white man and the woman, they enjoy my food and they enjoy my talk. Because whatever I'm talking is from an angle which they might not have seen before. Because it's something novel to them. So they enjoy the talk and they enjoy the food. And they thank me profusely when they part. And subsequently when I meet them in the streets, oh, they shake hands with me. How is Mr. Deedat? How is the family? Convey my regards to the missus. But no white man, by God I tell you, no white man in 40 years has invited me to his home for a cup of tea. I am asking my European people that I can talk to. I mean, look, I'm not trying to score any points against anybody. But I'm asking, don't you people know how to reciprocate? In your culture, in your civilization, is there no such thing as reciprocation? There is. There is. You do reciprocate, I know. Among yourselves, you do. You invite one another to your homes. But at the back of your mind, to invite a black man to your home, something else is involved. You personally may be a saint walking this earth, an angel walking this earth, but at the back of the mind, the laws of the country, color, has knocked into your psyche. That thought that, look, this coolie coming to an elite area in Durban North, one Sunday morning, looking for your home, number 10 Downing Street, and, you know, with this funny headgear and this beard, looking for that number 10, and eventually he finds it. There are people watering the garden, there are people sitting on the verandas. What is this coolie doing around here? And then, maybe, you know, I find the house, I knock at the door, Mrs. Smith opens the door, and because she had enjoyed my hospitality, she's so happy. She says, come in, Mr. Deedat, come in. She means well. I go inside and we start chatting again, and religion is a deep subject, you know, you might carry on for hours, and tongues begin to wag. He says, what is that doing inside here? What are they doing? Running a shebeen or what? What is Mrs. Smith doing? What business is she in now? Or another relation of the family comes in, they find this black man there, brown man. So my host will have to go out of his way to explain my presence there. He said, you know, this is Mr. Deedat. You know, when we went to his house, his family, they received us so well and they gave us such nice food and what not. Oh, you're going out of your way, actually, to justify my presence there. You know it. You have to justify, what is this guy doing here in the house? So, to avoid all that, best thing is, convey my regards to the missus, you know. This is what it is.